Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to explain what an API is in a very simple way. API stands for Application Programming Interface. An API is a bridge that allows two different applications to communicate with each other. Let me explain with a real-life example. Imagine you are sitting in a restaurant. You don't go directly into the kitchen to prepare food. Instead, you give your order to a waiter. The waiter takes your request to the kitchen and brings back the food. Here, the waiter is the API. In the same way, when we use apps like Google Maps, Instagram, or payment apps, our app sends a request to an API. The API talks to the server or database, and then returns the response back to the app. APIs are very important because they make applications faster, more secure, and allow different systems to work together. Today, almost every web and mobile application uses APIs. In simple words, API is the backbone of modern applications. Thank you.
Now that we understand what an API is, let us look at the different types of APIs. APIs are mainly classified into four types based on who can use them. The first type is Open API, also called Public API. These APIs are available for everyone to use. Any developer can access them. For example, Google Maps API is a public API. Many apps use it to show maps and locations. Public APIs help developers build applications faster. The second type is Internal API, also called Private API. These APIs are used inside a company only. They are not shared with the public. For example, a company may have one API for employee data and another API for payroll. Internal APIs help different teams inside the same company work together. The third type is Partner API. These APIs are shared only with trusted partners. They need login or permission to access them. Example: payment gateways like Razorpay or PayPal provide APIs only to registered partners. Partner APIs are more secure than public APIs. The fourth type is Composite API. Composite APIs combine multiple APIs into one request. Instead of calling many APIs separately, we call one composite API and get all the data at once. This improves performance and reduces network calls. Simple recap. To summarize, public API, anyone can use. Internal API, used inside a company. Partner API, used by trusted partners. Composite API, multiple APIs in one call. APIs help applications communicate, scale, and stay secure. That's why APIs are everywhere in modern web and mobile applications. API types based on communication style. Now let us understand REST, SOAP, and gRPC APIs. Till now, we learned APIs based on who can use them. Now let us understand APIs based on how they communicate. The most common ones are REST API, SOAP API, and gRPC API. REST API, most popular. REST API stands for Representational State Transfer. REST is the most widely used API today. REST APIs use HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, DELETE. REST APIs usually send and receive data in JSON format. They are simple, fast, and easy to use. Most web and mobile applications use REST APIs. SOAP API, old but secure. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. SOAP APIs use XML format only. They are very strict and follow fixed rules. SOAP is mainly used in banking and financial applications because of high security. Compared to REST, SOAP APIs are slower and more complex. gRPC API, high performance. gRPC is a high-performance API framework developed by Google. gRPC uses protocol buffers instead of JSON. It is very fast and lightweight. gRPC is mainly used in microservices and real-time systems. It is not commonly used in simple web apps, but very popular in large-scale systems. Systems. Simple comparison. Let us compare them simply. REST API. Simple, fast, uses JSON, most popular. SOAP API. Secure, uses XML, complex, used in banking. gRPC API. Very fast, uses binary data, used in microservices. So in simple words, REST is used for most applications, SOAP is used where security is very critical, and gRPC is used for high-performance systems. APIs are the backbone of modern software development.